Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Skylar and today's video is literally just going to be a crochet vlog. We're going to make a bunch of shit or work on a bunch of shit and I will document it for you. First things first is the giveaway winner's prize, so let's get on with that. I wanted to do a full video just on crocheting it, but I made almost all of it and filmed nothing and then was like, oh, I probably should have filmed that. So it's not going to be in its own separate video, it's going to be in this video, so let's go. I should probably also say that I'm not following a pattern. I've literally just made this up off the top of my head. I didn't write it down, but if anyone is like desperate for me to write up a pattern for this, then I will. So just comment down below if you want one and I can get that written up and tested and everything. And obviously when I sell it, it will be like £3 on Ko-fi and then £4 on Etsy. So yeah, just doing that last round that I mentioned and then we'll go from there. Now it's the long process of making the hair. Hello, it is now Tuesday. Yesterday was obviously Monday, those last clips. And it is nearly 1:30. I haven't done any crochet today. I was waiting for my doctor to call me and then I went to the doctor's. So yeah, but here is the update on... Fuck, what's her name? The Adventure Time vampire. Anyway. Here's her hair so far. She still needs her mouth and her fangs and stuff. So what I think I'm going to do now is sew on all the hair that I've got so far and then continue making more until I have enough. But yeah, all of this was done, all of like the hair and stuff was done yesterday, so I'm very happy with how she's turning out so far. So I'm going to get sewing and then finish her ASAP because I want to work on something else. So it is Wednesday today. I feel like there's like 2 minute, like not even 2 minute clips and then it's like it's the next day. I haven't been too like, I guess inspired this week, I don't know. But I have finished her hair. It's all sewn and everything. And now I just need to do her mouth and then she'll be finished. I might do some stitching around her neck to pull it down a little bit just because it's a little bit bobbly. But other than that, she'll be done. I need to double check that I haven't missed anything. And then yeah, then she'll be done. So hopefully I'll get that done today and work on something else because like I want to crochet. So we'll see. Here she is. I do need to take some photos, make some content of my load tag so I can like post and be like, this pattern exists by the way, I made it, go buy it. And I also got to take a picture of the clay ornament Enoch that he made so I could post it on his shop's Instagram so that we could get that active again. So yeah, that is my plan for today so far. Finished! Woo! I will film a reveal of this outside when I take some photos of it and some of the other photos that I need to take. But you haven't seen me test this pattern yet, but I did make a second one. Spoiler, here's the one I made testing the pan. Anyway, so I've made this one and he just needs his tail and his bandana. So let's get started on the tail because I want to finish him and he needs his eyes. But yeah. Oh, it's so cute. So on the 30th of December, if you follow my Instagram and stuff, you would have seen it. But I am going to be selling, like setting up a table and selling at the, like in person at the shop that I have a little space at to sell. So basically I'm going to be there, have a whole table instead, selling my stuff. And then once that's finished, the same day in the evening, I have a stall at a Christmas market, that cost me £5 to have the stall, and then the shop was free. So it's going to be a busy day that day, and I will try and vlog it the best I can. I'm not really sure what footage I'll get, but I'll definitely like do a video afterwards talking about how much money I made and stuff like that. So yeah, right now, because it's a Christmas market, I want to crochet some Christmas scrunchies. So that's what you're watching me do right now. Just so I have some sort of Christmassy thing. Like I don't want to go out of my way to make a bunch of Christmas stuff and then it not sell. Like I'm trying to push like, you can buy things from me for Christmas presents type of stuff. Instead of like, I'm selling Christmas things. If that makes any sense. But yeah, so scrunchies. I'm going to make some. And I'm out of breath from talking. We love that. So I have bought this pattern by this artist and I'm going to be making it now. It's just for fun, nothing like specific or anything, and I have decided on some fun colours as well. Charizard colours, hell yeah. There he is so far. I'm double stranding it because I don't have enough plush yarn to do it out of that, and I also don't have the nice eyes that they use, but I do want to get some of those at some point. So it is now Thursday and this is what I did yesterday. I know I didn't film too much of it, as you kind of saw with the reveal, or not the reveal, the last clip. I jumped from the heads to this. But yeah, here he is so far. This is my own bit, I just did myself, it's not part of the pattern, but I made it out of plush yarn so it's soft, and then the rest of him is acrylic. I don't own the big eyes that everyone uses, so what I'm going to do is probably recreate the look of them but with felt, and then I need to thread sculpt his face. Or struggle. Yeah, and then he'll be done. I don't know if I'm selling him or whatever. I kind of just made him for fun because I really wanted to make a dragon and I really liked that pattern, and it was on sale from like £5 to like £2 something, so I was like, hell yeah. My favourite part is the different coloured toes. I know that like it's not exact to Charizard, which is why I've said he's inspired by, obviously like the wings different, he's got more toes, but like the gist, the colour palette and stuff is Charizard for the most part. So yeah, but I just thought he was really cute. He's just a little guy. It's meant to be one of those, like, I think the crochet community calls them like lovies, where like you don't stuff this bit and it's like all floppy and stuff, but I stuffed the body a little bit just to give it some dimension and everything, and I'm happy with how this looks. So yeah. He's so cute, I love him. But yeah, there he is. It also fucking snowed today and it set for a little bit and I had to go out because of course I had to fucking go out when it was snowing. It stopped when I got to town, but of course it was snowing the entire way there and I was miserable because I hate snow. I like looking at it, don't get me wrong, it's nice and pretty, you know, on the grass and shit, but when I have to go out in it, fuck that. But yeah, let's get working on the eyes. Not gonna lie, it's 4:30. And the only thing I've done today, other than like the shopping that I need to do, was sew this guy's eyes on. And now I'm playing WoW. Yeah, but I still want to do that, so I should probably get on with that in a minute. So it is now Friday today, and this is usually when I stop like film my clips and stuff, so let's just do a recap of the week. What I got up to. I made this. The giveaway winner is happy with it. They've just asked if I can make her guitar as well, which I'm happy to do, so I need to make the guitar. I finished this guy. He's he looks funny from straight on, but he's got his tail, his eyes all sewn on and everything like that, and he is done. Very cute. And then I finished this guy. Absolutely love him. He sits on my TV like that. Protects the TV. And then I've started something else that I can't say what it is or who it's for or anything like that, but I've started a Christmas present. Which I'm filming a separate video for. But yeah. We're making pizza tonight because my mum's birthday tomorrow, so I might get some clips of that and stuff, but this is the end of the crochet now, I think, so thank you for watching. Just keep watching if you want to see just the random little clips of what we get up to tonight, making pizza and stuff, but if not, thank you for watching and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.